of download.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the #1 YouTuber in the entire Caribbean. You don't know it, chap. Right now we're here with a different video again for you guys. This is a new episode or a new series I'm gonna start for you guys. Okay? Right now we're gonna be starting this series. It's gonna be titled Rating the Baddest Motherfucker. Rating the baddest females from Trinidad. Right now we're going to do the entire Caribbean, but we're starting with Trinidad because Trinidad is the first really Caribbean place other than Jamaica that I took over. You understand what I'm trying to say? So I'm finna start with Trinidad at #1 this week for this. I think I'm gonna do more than weekly, but for this episode, she have 1 million followers on Instagram. Woo! She got 1.2 million followers on Instagram. And she's from Trinidad now, don't get it twisted. She is an artist. She is a bad girl. She has business. She color. Oh Lord. People, we have Ashana Finesse. Hey. Woo. Screen card on the screen right now, people. Let's get straight to the meat. Let's get straight to the rating. But first of all, let's see what she posted on her story recently, right? Now let's see what's on the story. Food, alright then. Okay. Oh. Okay. Why we swipe it up though? Okay. Oh, so she only got 2 posts on this. Okay. So now we're gonna be rating her pics from 1 through 10. Oh wait, she got 711 posts. Oh Lord. Anyways, let's see what's happening for the first picture right now. Bam! WAP remix coming soon. She finna remix Cardi B WAP. Okay, anyways, let's see. Thick! Oh Lord! Woo! I like it a lot. I'ma give that pic. I can't start too big. I'ma give her a 9. I'ma give that pic a 9. But the what? Look at that girl. She pierced them. Wait. See what we're gonna zoom in now? Look at this. Oh wow. Piercings. Oh, she from Trinidad. Let's go to the next week. We ain't finna waste no time right here. We're gonna. Oh, so she do music. This is a music. Oi.
Friends be the faces for my money.
Girl, I don't want to get copyrighted. You understand me? Worse, it's not even a reaction video, but I might just have to watch that video to see all that beauty. That's not a picture, so we ain't finna read. Let's go to the next. What's this?
Instagram about, what are people's assumptions about me? I think you got a little freakiness in you, but for some reason you keep trying to hide it.
Hello. Yes, you do. I don't want to get copyrighted there.
Hate black men.
YouTube channel. I soon check you out. Sure date black man? Okay. Why? No, why? Why your body so big? No. Why your bum so big? Why? Just why? Man them. Watch ya. Oh, and the piercing them. Your bother. Bumba clot. Well, I don't forget one of the top on the body for your cheeks them. Ooh, blood clean. No dog. I like me I tell brother. I could go and scroll. Bumba clot. No, you're too broad. But if I watch the video, you may look for it. You're so broad. We hear what you talk about.
Your girl Finesse, like who else would it be?
Yeah.
Today I'm gonna show you a couple of products I've been using over the past few months to keep my hair healthy.
But this one waste a blood clot, Brad. We'll go and screw. Hold on there. Hold on there. Oh, what the jungle bunga? You know what I read the picture of them dog? That's I read the picture of them dog. Hold on, I don't read the picture here. 10. Bomb winners. 10. Bomb buckle me. Hold on, I'm double tap now. I'm just go and behave myself. I like this. That alright. Yes, I have a flat stomach too. Yo, your body not get. I have flat stomach too. Go on with a 9, man. Me tell them I get hard now, man.
Cause that thing fat and dangerous. The way you
I don't want to get copyrighted, sir. Let me see what you are going with this. You in trouble, no? No. You know you in trouble, no? You in a blood clot trouble. Go on with a 9, man. Go on with a 9.
work, gal brace, in position.
Yo, hold on, this is screen shaker while I got that. She create a earthquake while I watch her style. Watch the video. Hold on, pause. Come back now. When I go see the bomb buckle by screen shake, watch it. See that now? Bomb buckle, you see the earthquake, I'm gonna feel the earthquake, dog. Bomb buckle. Yeah. Yeah. Blood clot. Yeah, that's trouble now. But I know one picture, so I'm not gonna rate it. What you talk about?
Assuming when a girl watch you, that mean that she don't like you. I was watching that ass. And then you wanna get that dirty look, that nasty look like, what's she watching me for? And now you just made everything awkward. Ladies, stop assuming.
Let me roll that one. It's when I'm saying body big. It's when she coming in the clip. No, it's when she coming in the clip. No. Her body she was I found in the clip a while ago. No. She back it up in the clip a while ago. No. Watch her. Watch her. Watch her. Yo. She was her hair. I don't want a picture, so I'm not going to rate it. Go on. What the blood clot? Well, I get that one. No, sir. I need to ease myself down. I need to ease my bum buckle myself, don't it? Yeah, man. But we gonna give this picture a 9. Go on. Whoa. Fatness, thickness, broadness. You're too much now? No, you're too much now, man. You're too bad. Go on with a 9. I hear number that. I hear number, me say go on with a 9. I hear number that.
With no cellulite and no stretch marks. Okay.
That shit crack.
Have fun being lonely, boy. So you are a thick girl with no cellulite and no stretch marks. Okay.
That shit crack.
Now you think that, I like that fit there. But a year number is a 9 you get. Me tell them hard forget. No, it not hard again. It not hard a blood clot again. It's one of the things like them, you know. Them think I make man there in them house at night time and I feel like I'm single again. Them think I make them. You could use some more calcium. Here you go. Oh Lord. The caption said you could use some more calcium. Here you go. Pouring that milk. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Are you guys like alright? You good? Alright, good. Let's check if you're alright. We can go and scroll.
Down, go up, down, go up, down, go.
You know, more and cry, dog. Yo, more and cry, dog. Yo, more and cry. What yeah? Yeah? Yeah, cry now. Cry. Whoa. I wanna cry. Let's go. Let's scroll. I hear number 9 you're getting. Wait, that's her name on the sign? Oh no, she wrote it there, edited it there. But damn, 9, I hear number that. I hear number, man, 9. I hear number. Yes, I hear number 9. I don't like this one. Why did you edit this picture like that? Who was that? I don't like that one. You see it now on jeans now. It's in a you know what? How long this video is? Hold on, let me check my camera real quick. I see how long I'm recording for. Oh my gosh. Are you guys still rocking with me? I've been recording for them 10, 11 minutes now. Are you guys still here? If you guys are still watching the video right now, I want you guys to comment the number 1 in the comment section. And the first 3 persons to do that, I'll shout you out in the next video that I do like this. Okay? Now let's continue the video. Since you guys are here, long videos, you're getting them. Let's go. Oh.
You wanna be my lover, boy? Wanna baby?
We're watching that show now. We don't want to get copyrighted, you know.
Wash my hair, hands it towel, and I look hella cute, right?
You're cute already. Go on, though.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the baddest of them all? You, my dear. You're the baddest. Period.
Or
These photo poses, though. Go on, your number that 9 is your number. Tick, but 9 is your number. Your number 9. Oh. Me say when me done slap out them body jack. 9 is your number. 9 is your number. Nine is your number.
They expect me to breathe when I can get up.
9. People, this is where I'm going to tell you all to like the video. Let's get... How many likes should I get? Surprise me. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video right now. Tear up the like button. Smash subscribe button if you're not subscribed. We're trying to reach 30,000 subscribers, guys. So please help me Please help me reach the goal right now. By the end of the year, we're trying to 30k subscribers. We got a couple more months to go. And I know you guys can do so. Smash the subscribe button in the face. Thank you for watching my video. If you all enjoyed, let me know down below in the comment section. Okay, y'all? Tear up the like button. Screenshot your favorite part. Screen record your favorite part of the video. Post it on Instagram. Tag me. Tag her. Go follow her. Follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to hit 4,000 followers on Instagram. At the time of this recording, I'm at 3,900. Let's go. We're trying to hit 10k on there. But YouTube is where I really want to gain the subscribers. Instagram, I know you got to show numbers, but I don't really believe in the fame. I just want to do YouTube. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go follow me on Instagram if you wanna. We're trying to 10k followers over there, okay? Yes. It's only right. I'm at like 25,000 on YouTube. Why not 10k on Instagram, right? But anyways, that's different. But go subscribe to the channel. Follow me. Follow her. You see me, you say? Big up on the bumbuckle bell self. Peace out.